Hello, Mr. Pras. My name is Helena Gideona Hanjoyo. I'm a third year student from class of Social 2. Today, I'm going to present my presentation about modals. Modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, that is, likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, obligation, or advice. In English, the modal verbs commonly used are can, should, must, will, may, could. The usages of can. First, informal permission. For example, you can borrow my pencil. Second, ability. For example, I can make some cookies. Third, offering help. For example, can I help you to do your homework? Fourth, possibility. For example, today can be a rainy day. Fifth, request. For example, can you make some brownies for me, please? The usages of should. First, advice. For example, you should go to the hospital if you're feeling sick. Second, obligation. For example, everyone should eat healthy food. The usages of must. First, command. For example, you must arrive at school on time. Second, strong prediction. For example, Felix must be late. Third, force. For example, you must get the best score if you want to get the reward. Fourth, recommendation. For example, you must visit Indrayani Beach because it has beautiful scenery. The usages of will. First, prediction. For example, tomorrow will be a foggy day. Second, plan. For example, I will go to Jakarta next month. Third, willingness. For example, I will help you as best as I can. The usages of may. First, possibility. For example, Chris may be mad at you if you don't listen to him. Second, asking permission. For example, may I borrow your book? Third, polite suggestion. For example, you may leave the meeting room now. The usages of could. First, permission. For example, you could go home if you're done with your job. Second, possibility. For example, it could be raining today. That was all of my presentation. I apologize for any mistakes I might make during presenting this material. Thank you for your attention.